Marcus.
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 Marcus Chan is the real deal.
Back-to-back 100K commission checks was pretty
I
insane.
did end up purchasing an investment property
Dude.
in Mexico City. That's all from money that I had made from commission and sales. So.
$14 million deal within 3 weeks.
Closed a 600K deal. The one that we had
Cool.
been discussing. With that 600K deal, I got to 1% or so over.
Amazing.
I made what's probably a third of someone's salary in a month last month, and I jumped from commercial to mid-market during an awful economy.
July's been a really good month. For me, I booked around $500,000 in pipeline from
Killer.
cold outbound.
I've already gotten the fruits of the labor in almost 3 companies so far. And I just been killing it in almost each and every one of it.
Doing really well right now. Some last minute things that will get me to 100%. The next person behind me is at 60. There's someone who's at 30. It's a rough quarter for a lot of people at my company, but I'm doing really well.
Just wanted to thank you for having me prepare the event the other day. Had a lot of leads, closed a lot of deals as well on the event, and we got to connect with that large account I told you about. It's a very smooth manner by the end of the whole fair.
I don't know what the record is for getting back the investment, but I'm like, above it.
My mentality, it's completely changed in terms of how I approach my day-to-day life. My sales process has completely buttoned up. Literally, it's night and day compared to where I was in the beginning. I'd have to say I never made as much money as I have until I implemented a program like this.
The resources that you put together and provide folks really enable us to become very organized, very efficient, create that true method, if you will. I think it was very valuable.
I definitely got my money's worth.
This program literally saved my sales career. I have all these skills now.
Now I'm crushing it. So I'm like, if that tells you anything, just do it. The most valuable piece that my reps even talk to is the weekly Wednesday calls.
Yep.
During that call, you're able to bring up the specific issues with a particular deal or a prospect. You're able to get a lot of insights. It's not cookie cutter.
There's less pressure and you get to sell in a more natural way, a way that reflects your own personality. Being able to just provide certain things for my kids that maybe I wasn't able to provide. The investment was more than justified. How I was efficiently structuring my deals and how we were able to bring certain deals to closure much faster than I would have in previous cycles.
That's helped me tremendously with my return on investment, my growth, and my performance, let alone my own happiness.
How much is it going to cost you if you don't make the change? What's it going to cost you not to do that? If I didn't find you, what was it going to cost me? Probably my job, probably me feeding my huge family and doing all the fun things that I love to do.
Your program's the only one, your organization and level of clarity. It's been a dynamic level of teaching that I just don't think exists in the marketplace right now.
I'm making money where I actually have a savings in this economy, investing in this economy, and doing things I never thought that I would do.
Worth the whole program right there.
I knew I needed a coach for not just sales tips, but career coaching as well. And I noticed that your program had that.
I was really impressed, candidly, with Marcus's deal management, coaching, and walking through that.
So right now I'm at 211. It's been a great year, especially considering I started out not knowing where anything was going to come from.
Number one thing for me is building a bulletproof mindset. That's game changer for me. Going into the program, my confidence was down. I wasn't making enough money to survive. I focused on really building my skills in this program.
I was talking to my wife about it yesterday. It's like one of the best investments that I've made.
I remember one deal I probably ended up winning like 3 weeks later. If you implement right away, you'll start seeing results. What would the best version of yourself want you to do? It might cost you X now. How is that going to compound over time?
Do what you say, and that is very refreshing as someone who models their own life after that.
Thank you for everything. Seriously, you really helped me and you've got me to where I am. I very much appreciate you. Seriously.
I always think about, thank God I joined this program to level up my sales skills and change my mindset on how I view things on a daily basis.
I wanted to say thank you, man. The meetings that I've been able to get have been great, from TikTok to Fortune 500 companies. We got something coming up next week with Target, so really happy about that.
I've had between 3 to 5 different people reach out to me and asking me about Marcus Chan's program. And every single time I say, do it. Invest in yourself, no matter what the scenario is, because that money you'll earn back instantly. And you'll learn so much, not just about sales, but about life in general by joining the program. It'll be well worth the investment as well as your time.
Gosh, Marcus, this is so helpful. This is the best investment I've made. I'd pay you more.
This is a great sales program. You're going to become an awesome salesperson.
I went from selling 310,000 my first year, and my fiscal year just ended June 30th, and I sold over $5 million. I'm telling you, a person who loves what he does and saw his life change, give Marcus a chance. You won't regret it.
Marcus is, I hold you near and dear to my heart because I think you really walk the walk as a human. And I really, really mean that. Every single effort you put into Marcus's program, he'll give you back that and then some.
I want to thank you for that. But to put a button on it, I would say that it's not just sales, it's also LinkedIn, it's branding, the confidence to really step out on that ledge and know that you're not going to fall. Do it, because there's no reason to delay. I think by delaying, you're actually just preventing yourself from reaching a level where the program's going to pay for itself anyway.